QuidvisRisk is a fire risk and risk management company specializing in delivering detailed, evidence-based fire risk assessments and fire door inspections. All assessments are delivered through the QuidvisRisk portal, providing our clients the ability to view and manage their risks, building a complete audit trail of works carried out across their entire estate. The QuidvisRisk app allows us to assign work to our assessors across the UK in a matter of minutes. All our assessors are highly qualified, competent professionals, and when using the QuidvisRisk app, our clients are guaranteed consistent, detailed, comprehensive fire risk assessments and fire door inspections across their estate. Our assessors carry out fire risk assessments, collecting detailed information regarding the property, key personnel, and completing a thorough review of policies, procedures, training, and documentation. All the information captured can be entered directly into the QuidvisRisk app. This allows the assessors to spend more time on site completing a comprehensive assessment rather than off-site writing up reports. The reports are generated automatically and are available in the quality control area as soon as the assessment is completed on the QuidvisRisk app. All assessments go through a rigorous quality control process. Once the assessment has been checked by the assessor, it then has a second check by a senior assessor to validate the work before it can be released to the client. Once any changes required are made by the assessor and the validators are happy, the assessment will be released to the client. QuidvisRisk offers comprehensive fire risk reporting and management, eliminating the need for spreadsheets and PDFs, letting you monitor assessments efficiently. Instantly, users will be able to see the risks raised across the whole estate. From the estate dashboard, you can see the total number of risks raised, assorted by risk rating, root cause, and fire category. They will also be able to see which of their properties are showing the highest overall risk, allowing them to quickly prioritise which areas to manage first. Each property has its own dashboard, providing greater details specific to that property. If you would like access to the information in a PDF format, QuidvisRisk has a dynamic PDF that automatically updates whenever they are downloaded. For properties that have had multiple assessments, users can review previous assessments by date completed. They can switch between current and previous assessments and even look into old assessments to review the risks that have been resolved and see what work has been carried out and by who. Users can easily explore risks on the dashboard or through advanced search, accessing comprehensive details identified by the assessor. To resolve a risk, property owners can use their own internal systems to manage necessary work and update the system by documenting completed actions, uploading photos, and naming who did the work. There's also the option to connect via API for integration with client systems if required, ensuring flexible and transparent risk resolution within the QuidvisRisk platform. Our fire door inspections are detailed and unique. We detail what non-compliances have been identified across all doors on the estate, highlight how many fire doors are compliant and non-compliant, and our recommendations on how many should be repaired or replaced. When navigating to an inspection for a specific property, you'll see the same information from the estate dashboard broken down specifically for that property. Each property has a fire door register detailing comprehensive information for each door covering the construction and fire rating, including where it is in the building and the findings from the last inspection. By reviewing all the details, you can see each defect individually, review the observations made, and the recommendations made by the inspector. Each defect is accompanied by 3 pictures evidencing the issues identified and time. Non-compliant doors can be managed in the same way we manage fire risks, using our remedial risk management function. QuidvisRisk allows you to manage remedial work and suppliers directly from the system, allowing you to record all work completed when resolving identified risks. You can assign work to both internal and external suppliers by raising a quote request. When sending a quote request, you can select multiple suppliers and give them details of the work you want completed and by when. The system will record all the details and send them to your chosen supplier. The suppliers will access the information in their secure area on QuidvisRisk. Suppliers will respond using a quotation form, adding the materials and labour costs, details of the work to be completed, and upload additional information by PDF if required. You can view the status of all jobs and quotes requested by the main dashboard. When reviewing quote responses, you'll be able to see all the supplier quotes in one area, reject the ones you don't want, and accept the ones you do. When work is completed, either by internal or external suppliers, you'll be able to see the original job requests raised, the agreed scope of work, and the completed work carried out. You can either reject the work or sign it off. When all the remedial work is completed, the responsible person can resolve the original risk and add photographs of the work provided by the supplier. When using QuidvisRisk to manage your remedial work or suppliers, the complete audit trail of how the risk was resolved, what work was carried out and by who, are all detailed in one system.